Good afternoon. The big question during today's hearing was this: did the prosecution in 2012 know who victim 2 was? And if they did and lied about it, well, one of two things could happen. Jerry Sandusky could get a new trial, or he could be released from prison entirely.
Jerry, any thoughts today, sir?
No comment from 72-year-old convicted child sex offender Jerry Sandusky as he left a Center County courthouse on day 2 of a hearing which could lead to his release from prison.
We think we have a lot of big issues.
Monday testimony focused on only one issue: whether the state in 2012 knew who victim number 2 was. That's the person assistant Penn State coach Mike McQueary says he saw Sandusky sexually abuse in 2001.
It's that victim that led Michael McQueary to say whatever he said, and we believe that without Michael McQueary, this matter wouldn't have gone forward.
The 72-year-old's current defense attorney says victim number 2's identity was known to prosecutors, but they lied to the jury saying victim 2 was known only to God. If that's true, it's prosecutorial misconduct, and it could lead to Sandusky being released from prison. But Deputy Attorney General Jennifer Peterson says the state was unsure whether Alan Myers was indeed victim number 2, and that's why he was never identified as such in 2012.
The contradictory information that he had presented over the course of the investigation certainly gave the prosecution some doubt as to whether he was number 2, not to whether he was a victim in general.
And Tuesday, the prosecutor from the original trial, Joe McGettigan, is expected to testify and answer questions as to whether or not he lied about knowing who victim 2 was.
When Mr. McGettigan testifies tomorrow, he'll certainly put that claim to rest.
Now, I heard from Jerry Sandusky's wife, Dottie, this evening. She tells me there is the possibility of her husband testifying once again tomorrow. We'll be inside the courtroom, of course, and provide you all the details if that happens. For now, that we're live here in Center County, I'm Greg Argos, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Greg, thank you.